The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has sparked human curiosity and imagination for millennia. This celestial body suspended in the night sky has played a pivotal role in our existence. It's not just a beacon of light in the darkness or a calendar marking the passage of time, but a profound influencer of life on Earth. The moon's gravitational pull tugs at our planet, causing the ebb and flow of tides. These rhythmic movements of the sea have had profound implications on our ecosystems and even on the evolution of life itself. The moon's phases, from a thin crescent to a radiant full, have served as a clock and calendar for ancient civilizations, guiding agricultural cycles and seasonal activities. Beyond its tangible influences, the moon has also been a source of endless fascination and speculation. It has found its place in our ancient myths and stories, serving as a symbol of love, lunacy, and everything in between. From the werewolf tales of old Europe to the moon rabbit in Asian folklore, the moon has been a canvas for our collective imagination, inspiring a sense of wonder and a thirst for knowledge. This thirst has led humanity to embark on a quest to understand the moon's mysteries. The pursuit has not only been about reaching out and touching that glowing orb in the sky, but about learning more about our place in the universe. This quest has led to the launch of remarkable lunar missions, each one peeling back a layer of the moon's enigma, revealing secrets about its composition, history, and potential for future exploration. The Luna, Apollo, Tian, and Artemis programs, among others, have brought back a wealth of information, forever altering our perception of the moon. These missions have not only been a testament to human ingenuity and determination, but have paved the way for the next chapters of space exploration. Today, we embark on a journey through time, unraveling the top 10 groundbreaking discoveries from lunar missions. So buckle up as we journey to the moon and back, exploring the most significant findings that have helped unveil the moon's mysteries. The race to the moon began in the late 1950s, marking the dawn of space exploration. As nations strove to unlock the mysteries of our celestial neighbor, the Luna 2 mission emerged as a significant milestone. Launched by the Soviet Union in 1959, Luna 2 holds the prestigious title of being the first spacecraft to reach the moon. But Luna 2 did more than just touch the lunar surface. It made a groundbreaking discovery that would shape our understanding of the moon. As it hurtled towards the moon, instruments aboard Luna 2 detected something, or rather the absence of something. It discovered the lack of a lunar magnetic field. This was a revelation at the time, as it challenged our understanding of celestial bodies and their magnetic properties. Yet, the early era of lunar exploration wasn't just about reaching the moon or testing theories. It was about seeing, about capturing the first close-up images of a world beyond our own. Enter the Ranger missions, a series of unmanned NASA missions that took the challenge head-on. The Ranger missions, particularly Ranger 7, 8, and 9, provided us with our first close-up view of the moon. Even with their brief lifespan, designed to transmit images until their planned impact on the lunar surface, these missions managed to send back thousands of detailed photos. They gave us our first glimpse of the moon's rugged terrain, its vast plains and towering peaks, its deep craters and ancient lava plains. These early missions, Luna 2 and the Ranger series, were the trailblazers of lunar exploration. They dared to venture into the unknown, to reach out to a world that had been, until then, observed only from afar. Their discoveries, their images, and their triumphs sparked a sense of awe and curiosity that would fuel subsequent lunar missions. These early missions paved the way for the great leaps in lunar exploration that were yet to come. Their legacy is not just in the data they collected or the images they captured, but in the bold spirit of exploration they embodied. The Apollo missions, a milestone in human history, brought us closer to the moon than ever before. This era, spanning from 1961 to 1972, revolutionized our understanding of our celestial neighbor and marked an unprecedented achievement in human exploration. The Apollo missions, of which there were 17, brought back a wealth of information about the moon. Perhaps the most notable discovery was the presence of water. This wasn't the liquid, flowing water we're familiar with here on Earth. Rather, it was found in the form of tiny molecules within moon rocks. This was a game changer. suggesting that the moon wasn't as dry as we'd once thought. And then there was the seismic activity. Moonquakes, as they're known, were detected on the lunar surface, revealing that the moon was not a dead world, but one that was geologically active. This information allowed scientists to delve deeper into the moon's interior structure and composition, further expanding our understanding of lunar geology. But let's not forget Apollo 11. This mission was a landmark moment in human history. On July 20th, 1969, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to step foot on the lunar surface. This was more than just a giant leap for mankind. It was a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The Apollo missions also brought back lunar samples, a total of 382 kilograms of moon rock and soil. These samples have been invaluable, providing insights into the moon's age, its geological history, and even clues about the early life of our own planet. The Apollo era was a time of discovery and exploration that expanded the frontiers of our knowledge. The moon, once a distant and mysterious object in the night sky, became a place where humans had walked, worked, and left their footprints. The Apollo missions not only expanded our understanding of the moon, but also our place in the universe. Water on the moon was a subject of debate for decades until recent missions made groundbreaking discoveries. The Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite, or LC-ROSS, launched by NASA in 2009, was one of the pioneers. It detected water in the form of ice hidden in the shadowy craters of the lunar South Pole. Around the same time, India's Chandrayaan-1 mission made another significant contribution. It detected hydroxyl molecules spread across the lunar surface. These molecules, composed of one hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom, are a key component of water. These discoveries were not just groundbreaking, they shifted the paradigm of lunar exploration. The presence of water on the moon suggests the potential for sustaining human life on our nearest celestial body. It also holds the promise for producing rocket fuel in situ, a crucial element for deep space exploration. The discovery of lunar water opened new possibilities for future lunar exploration and habitation. China's Chang'e Lunar Exploration Program has made remarkable strides in lunar science. This ambitious program, named after the Chinese moon goddess Chang'e, has launched multiple missions to the moon since its inception, each with a unique set of objectives and groundbreaking discoveries. One of the key findings of the Chang'e missions is the discovery of a new type of basaltic rock. You might ask, why is this important? Well, basaltic rock is a common type of volcanic rock on Earth and the moon. The discovery of a new type of this rock on the moon suggests that the lunar surface may be more complex than we previously thought. It provides clues to the moon's volcanic activity and the evolution of its crust. In addition to this, the Chang'e program has made history by landing the Chang'e 4 mission on the far side of the moon, a feat that had never been accomplished before. This side of the moon, often referred to as the dark side because it faces away from Earth, is relatively unexplored and holds a wealth of scientific opportunities. The mission has provided us with invaluable data about the far side's terrain and composition, and it has even grown cotton seeds there, marking the first biological experiment on the moon. But why stop there? The Chang'e 5 mission, the latest in the series, has returned lunar samples to Earth for the first time in over 4 decades, allowing scientists to study the moon's geology with modern techniques and technologies. This mission has not only showcased China's growing prowess in space exploration, but also opened up new avenues for international collaboration in lunar science. The Chang'e missions, each one pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible, continue to reshape our understanding of the moon's geology and history. They are a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge, reminding us that every step we take on the moon brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of our universe. The Artemis program, NASA's current lunar exploration program, promises to make the next giant leap in lunar science. Named after the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, Artemis symbolizes a new era of lunar exploration, where we not only return to the moon, but also strive to stay. The goals of Artemis are ambitious yet achievable. The program aims to land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface by 2024. In doing so, Artemis will break new ground, not only in terms of gender equality, but also in terms of technological advancements. The astronauts will land near the moon's south pole, an unexplored region believed to harbor water ice, a potential resource for future lunar inhabitants. But Artemis isn't just about planting flags and footprints. It's about establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon. This means setting up a base, conducting long-term research, and using the moon as a proving ground for deeper space missions, including Mars. The Gateway, a small spaceship in orbit around the moon, is a critical component of this plan. It will serve as a home where astronauts can live and work, and from where they can descend to the lunar surface or venture further into space. Artemis also has a significant scientific agenda. The program seeks to uncover the moon's mysteries, from its geology and history to its potential as a resource. The findings will not only enlighten us about the moon, but also about our own planet and the broader solar system. As we look forward to the exciting discoveries of the Artemis era, we realize that the moon still holds many secrets waiting to be unveiled. Each step we take on the lunar surface, every rock we pick up, and every experiment we conduct brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. The Artemis Generation is ready to take that next giant leap. Are you? Our lunar journey, though spanning over 6 decades, has only just begun. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has been a source of fascination and inspiration, prompting mankind to embark on a journey of discovery and exploration. We've ventured into the unknown, breaking barriers and pushing boundaries, all in the pursuit of knowledge and understanding. From the early missions, we learned about the moon's surface, its craters, and the lunar maria. These initial explorations paved the way for the Apollo era, an iconic period in lunar exploration that brought us the first human footprints on the moon, and the iconic phrase, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The Apollo missions not only put humans on the moon, but they also brought back lunar rocks and soil samples that have been invaluable in understanding the moon's geological history. These samples revealed that the moon is not a dry and barren wasteland as previously believed, but contains water, a discovery that has significant implications for future lunar missions and the possibility of establishing a lunar base. The Chinese Lunar Exploration Program, with missions like Chang'e, has also contributed immensely to our lunar knowledge. They have discovered new lunar rock types and provided new insights into the moon's internal structure. The Artemis Generation, the current era of lunar exploration, is set to take us back to the moon and beyond. With plans to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon, this new generation of explorers is turning science fiction into reality. These discoveries from lunar missions have not only advanced our understanding of the moon, but also have broader implications for our understanding of the solar system and the universe. They remind us that the moon is not just an object in the night sky, but a world with its own history and secrets waiting to be discovered. As we continue to unravel the moon's mysteries, we realize that every discovery is but a stepping stone to the vast expanse of knowledge that lies beyond our reach. Before we conclude this lunar journey, we want to remind you that exploration is not a one-person task. It's a collective endeavor. Every like, every share, every comment on this video is a step towards fostering a culture of curiosity and discovery. If you learned something new today, if your perspective of the moon has changed, then please give this video a like. Share your thoughts, your questions, your opinions in the comment section. Let's start a conversation. Let's make this journey of discovery a shared experience. Don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon. This will ensure you never miss out on any future expeditions we undertake together. Share this video with your friends, your family. Let's inspire more people to look up and wonder about the moon, our celestial neighbor. Remember, every small action on your part contributes to a larger journey of discovery. So, let's keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Until our next journey, stay curious and keep exploring.